Okay, we are back in the garage pretty early today. So now I'm just gonna take this time to completely clean up the stairs because we're gonna be painting this today and take everything from underneath it out of there. And also, we are gonna complete the plinth today and hopefully have these painted and built, put together, have it set for tomorrow so we can test fit the actual acrylic box on top of it, see if everything fits again. Other than that, today we're just gonna be painting Lego. Okay, we don't have a painting booth here, so I'm just gonna make one. Not looking for the most perfect, I just need it to be painted. So I actually ran out of black spray paint, but I have to go pick up painting supplies anyway, so we'll go grab those. In the meantime, while I wait for my car to come back, because Shane's actually using it to go to work, so right now I have no means of transportation, I'm gonna clean the stairs. Not a super thorough job, but clean enough. And I've also wiped down this entire wall. I have enough white to be able to paint this wall, so I guess I can get started while I wait for Shane still. And as for the stairs, I'm not gonna go green and black, I'm just gonna go green. Paint each step green and the top of the railings, because I just think adding the black is just extra effort and more money on paint. So I'm just gonna buy black spray paint for the plinth and one pail of green for the stairs. And it should be okay. And we're gonna try to get as much of this done as possible today so that when we come back tomorrow, it's just cleaning up and finishing up. I'm also gonna paint this part. I don't know why they left it. Plus, I should really fill in the floor. Yeah. Let's see, yes. The people before us actually had some leftover flooring, so it's perfect. Just gotta cut it into shape and it should be okay, dude. Like, it fits perfectly right there. It's not going the same direction as these other ones, but I should have enough of these leftover floor pieces to complete the rest. I hear an engine or an exhaust. Oh yeah, Shane's here. Fuck. Shane's here now. The first thing he does. You taking shit?
Yeah. No.
Oh. Never mind. Okay. We're gonna. Whoa, whoa! Buddy! Not much, man. Say hi to the vlogs. Huh?
You want to put the decal on the window?
Yo, let's do that too. Okay. You wanna do that first then?
Sure, let's do that quickly.
Okay.
No hesitation, asshole.
Yeah, no hesitation. That's the 2018 motto for our team. No more hesitation. So if you're indecisive and you're thinking of a decision to make, don't. Just go with the first one. So we're gonna put the window decals on the front of our store, finally. Make it look like an actual inviting place. All right. Here they are, dudes. Super easy, straightforward. I think the only hard part is lining it all up on the front, because we only got one chance, pretty much. Hey, none of that. All right, Gutu's here now. He's gonna do some car things, so I have to move this out of the way. And we got our paint supplies, more black spray paint for the plinth, a couple of cleaning supplies so I can scrub that wall nice and clean, and the paint. Okay, we'll open it later and I'll show you guys. But I don't know if it's actually the exact same green that we used on the wall up there. Yeah, we kind of just eyeballed it, so hopefully. These guys are finally clearing this godforsaken snow. Behold. It's bright now. Hey. What do you guys think? Alright, I'm gonna continue tipping off the stairs and we're gonna do green today. Yeah, no, it's really close, dude.
Good thing we said no hesitation.
Yeah, no. Okay, fine. Sometimes it works. That's a problem for future you.
Yeah.
Good luck, man. Gutu's just tinting out his taillights. Just gonna get rid of the red. Are these reflectors or are they actual lights?
Maybe they're reflectors.
Maybe you should do those too.
Yeah.
Yeah, sick, dude. While Gutu's doing that, Shane's prepping the stairs so that we can get started on this. So we're just gonna be painting the handrails mostly and each step. And I can get started on spray painting the plinths. All right, Gutu, I'm gonna be really careful not to spray your car. Right. Oh, it's like right outside. Whoa. Nice shade. Alright, status update. We have painted the top of the railings. Haven't even started on the stairs yet, but I have to keep walking up and down these stairs, so I'm not gonna paint it until I actually have to leave. Most likely, we'll come back here and finish the stairs tomorrow. For now, I'm just gonna help Gutu finish the rest of his gold wrap, and then we're gonna call it a night at the garage. Gold. Hey. Whoa, that looks cool, dude. Whoa, that looks crazy, dude. Whoa.
For you, that's all that I do.
What's the top part? You know what?
Yo, damn, you need canards, bro.
Do it.
Damn! What are you thinking, bro? Alright, status update. You know how earlier I said no hesitation? Well, it's more of a mantra. I've done half the stairs. But now I have to be careful because I've gone up and down these stairs like a million times today. So, plan is we're just gonna do half the stairs so I can still walk up and down. And we'll do the rest tomorrow. And I will show you guys what Gutu's up to. He's going full Killmonger.
Looks pretty sweet.
It does, man. Gold on black. Oh, yeah, I can picture this. All right, I will save the rest for after.
For you.
No hesitation. Okay, so now I can just finish the rest tomorrow. I've left enough space for me to walk down the stairs. Looking good, but I think the green's just a little bit off from my usual Kelly green. No complaints. I've already gone too far. Hey, this my jam. Alright guys, I'd say today has been a productive day, but I think I'm gonna end this video here. So remember, if you guys wanna get updated when new videos come out on this channel, make sure that notification bell is turned on. And remember, drop a like if you like this video. I'll see you guys on the next vlog. But before I end this video, let's go see how Gutu's doing. Yeah. Hey. Clean, man.
Black and gold is what I'm going for. Looks like it's made out of vibranium.
What car is this? Alright, man. Ciao, Bella. Call it a night. Alright, Goots, say peace to the vlog. See you guys in tomorrow's video.